May I see your driver's license, please?
No, you can't. Can you get in your vehicle and go do your job, please?
I am doing my job.
Are you?
A state trooper decides to retaliate after this man stopped to make sure he was safe. We can't make this up. Cops earn the hate and distrust from the people every day. What this cop is telling the world is that we shouldn't care if something happens to them. They throw their own parades. For officer safety, let them worry about themselves. We, the people, have to look out for each other. In this video, Mr. Steele the Show pulls up to a traffic stop and asks a question. The trooper immediately retaliates by trying to identify and ticket the man. When he doesn't comply, the trooper arrests him. For so much for bridging the gap. American cops love the divide. Let's get right to the video. I'll see you with my final thoughts at the end.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Pretty good. Can I have your driver's license real quick?
Did I commit a crime right quick?
You did.
Did I?
Yes, sir.
But how did I do that?
Improper stopping in roadway.
No, you're in the roadway. I was making sure everything was safe.
Okay.
All right, can I get your lieutenant?
Can I
get your higher up?
May I see your driver's license?
No. Did I commit a crime?
Yes, improper stopping in
No,
roadway.
I did not. I was making sure everything was safe because you were out in the roadway and I wanted to make sure everything was safe.
Okay, and
Okay.
I appreciate that.
Okay.
I just had another vehicle pull up on me.
No, I didn't pull up on you. I was trying to go where I was going. You were impeding my traffic. Sorry, sir, that you don't agree.
Okay.
Okay. I'm a YouTuber, by the way. You're not seeing my license, so give it up.
Okay.
Stop it now.
Okay.
Am I, what am I being held for? Am I detained?
Yes,
if I'm
you
not,
are. Right now
for
you
what
are.
crime?
For
what crime?
improper stopping in roadway.
You were in the roadway. I had to stop to let you do what you had to do.
Okay.
And so I pulled out my phone to record, and it's all on recording. So go ahead and keep burying yourself.
This trooper wants to spin this into a crime. This is why nobody trusts cops. You can't watch one episode of Cold Case Files without seeing someone mention how incompetent the cops were in solving the case. A very small amount of cold case files are ever solved. Maybe it's because cops are too busy being road pirates.
Okay.
Dude, would you like me to run you over?
No.
Okay, so I had to stop.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Or I could run you over. Which one would you like? Me to stop or to run you over?
May I see your driver's license, please?
No, you can't. Can you get in your vehicle and go do your job, please?
I am doing my job.
Are you? Harassing us citizens is doing your fucking job. No, it ain't. Get in your vehicle and go back to work. Okay. Thank you. This is what we pay you for. Our tax dollars pay you to do this?
Right.
I don't think so.
Get
in your vehicle and go. No, here's the thing. You are harassing me because I didn't want to run you over, so I stopped, and now you're on this shit. Blah, blah, blah.
Stopping, you are interfering with my investigation.
I didn't run you over. It's not me interfering. You were in the roadway. I had to stop. So I pulled out my phone and started recording.
Go ahead and step it up, please. He's not being cooperative.
And here we go. Do I need to pull over somewhere?
No, you're fine.
We're impeding traffic.
I don't want you to move.
Okay, but okay.
I do not want you
Am
to
I
move.
being detained?
Matter of fact, yes, you are.
For what crime?
I want you to put it in park and turn the vehicle off.
Right here?
Yes, right here.
I'm not going to do that. I'm not. I have done nothing wrong.
Yes, you have.
No, I have not.
I've already explained to you.
I have done nothing wrong.
Okay, here's your choice.
Okay.
Okay, right now.
Mm-hmm.
You either furnish me with an ID or driver's license.
For what crime? For what crime have I committed? The only reason I stopped is because you were in the middle of the road that I didn't want to hit nobody. That's the only reason I stopped.
Okay. Step out of the car.
No.
Step out of the car.
Sir, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
Put your hands behind your back.
There goes my car and my keys.
We're not going to do this. We're not going to do that. Back up off my husband.
You back up or I'm going to get you for interference.
Shut the fuck up. Thank you. Hold on, I'm getting spot.
All right, folks, here are my final thoughts. Cops use case law, like Pennsylvania v. Mims, in order to pull a person out of a vehicle for officer safety. They also want you to slow down and go around them when there's a traffic stop. Some states even have laws regarding that. I've seen people ticketed for not slowing down. Cops constantly create road hazards They oftentimes park wherever they want, especially when they're on a call. If this man truly wanted to make sure the cop was safe, I see nothing wrong nor illegal with that. If you think about it, cops have no duty to protect the people. Castle Rock v. Gonzales and DeShaney v. Winnebago are case laws that remind us that. But yet, cops ticket you for not wearing a seatbelt. That's police hypocrisy 101. Road piracy has become the go-to for cops to generate revenue. Didn't we hire cops to catch criminals that create victims? Or did we hire them to harass us and extort us? Seems like the statistics tell the truth. Policing has become a revenue-generating machine. They're already paid by our hard-earned tax dollars, but that isn't enough for them. Many cops are now overweight from stuffing their bellies with tax-funded food. Some of these guys have 3 servings at dinner time. Better get some overtime in. Food can be expensive. The standards in policing have dropped considerably. They're now hiring undocumented people to work as cops. How's that for American values? Until we, the people, unite and stop looking at things in red or blue, black or white, policing in America will continue to get worse. That does it for today's video, folks. Make sure to go subscribe to the original channel. Link will be in the description and pinned comment. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one. If you subscribe and hit the bell, have yourself a wonderful day. Always record the police.